Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate pro tips on how to achieve the perfect two-strand twist for men. Whether you're going for a clean, defined look or something more natural and effortless, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. Clean hair equals longer lasting twists. Make sure to wash, condition, and detangle thoroughly before starting. Use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner to cleanse your scalp and strands. This keeps your hair hydrated and prevents dryness under the twist. After conditioning, use a wide tooth comb or detangling pick to gently remove any knots. You want to use the bricklayer method to part the hair. This means that you part the hair in a staggered pattern, similar to how bricks are laid, so that each new braid falls in between the gaps of the previous row, which will create a more seamless and full appearance with minimal visible scalp lines. If your natural hair is less than 4 inches long, you may want to explore adding extensions to your twist to get a nice, thick, and longer look. For the Afro Kings, I would recommend using the kinky hair extensions in the description box, as it blends well with kinks and gives a very natural look. For the straight hair kings, I would recommend using pre-stretched expression extensions. If you would like a link to this hair, kindly drop us a comment in the comments section. To lock in your twists and prevent them from unraveling, secure the ends with small elastic bands. Be sure not to pull too tight, just enough to hold the twist in place without causing breakage. Twist unraveling happens when the twist isn't secured properly at the root. I usually start my two-strand twist by doing a regular box braid to about 1/2 inch of the strand and transition into twisting. This method is best at securing the base of the twist. Alright, let's test your knowledge. What is the best method for sectioning hair when doing two-strand twist? A. Randomly parting the hair. B. Using the bricklayer method. C. Creating big, uneven sections. D. Twisting before parting. If you chose B, you got it right. This method ensures a seamless, natural look with no visible gaps. Now that your twists are looking flawless, let's talk about how to keep them fresh and long-lasting. Trim the tips and any flyaways on the twist with a pair of scissors. Apply a generous amount of hair mousse to lock in moisture, add shine, and keep your two-strand twist looking fresh and well-defined for longer. Ensure you sleep with a silk durag on to maintain moisture and that well-defined finish. And there it is, y'all. The ultimate two-strand twist, perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed watching this video, do well to drop a comment, like, and subscribe so that you never miss out on any hair tips and tutorials. Bye y'all, and I will see you in the next one.